Hello, Paul here from EMD. Today we have a Porsche 996. The customer bought a 997, 991 seats for his car here. Got that one there, and that's the other one. So that's the original seat here. And these are like a 997 type. Looks like a 997 type to me, but he says a 991 seat. So what I'm doing today, I'm swapping it so to make it work. So I have to make up a new wiring harness for the seat down here to that one there. So this one will work. See that? Up, down. You see it right working? Up, down. So I'm gonna cable tie that later on to here so he can actually move the seat back and forth. This side here. The seat belt works on this car here. Seat belt works. So I don't need to swap the seat belt over. That one works 100%. So now what we're going to do now, we're going to actually, I want to put this seat frame back, put this seat back on the car now and torque it up to specs. And that's pretty much it. I'm going to do the wiring for the other side as well. And at the same time, this one here has got seat heating. So those two there is for the seat heating. Need a switch controller for that one to turn it on and off. And that's for the airbag. This one here is for the airbag. So not the airbag, the seat buckle. These two here, it's for the seat buckle. So I've got to actually look up the wiring diagram to actually find out the color of the wire, which one goes which way. Sorry, which one? This is actually the new seats, but the old seats have a different plug here. So I've got to find out which one is which. So I can actually, two of those ones for seat buckle. But luckily the other side doesn't have a seat a wire on the actual, on the buckle. If you look at the other one. This one here, there's no wire there, it's just a seat buckle on the left hand side. So the right hand side I've got to rewire up, otherwise the airbag light will come on. Okay, thanks for watching and please subscribe.